Hello guys, we are continuing consideration the May 2025 exam, AISL Paper 1, Time Zone 1. This is a question number 9. Let's make a short overview. In this question they asked us to find the value of A given the function. The question itself pretty short. We have 4 marks and we have 2 parts A and B, and each part counts as 2 marks. Okay, and let's consider this function. How we can find the crosses x-axis. What does it mean? It means that we have to find the x-intercept, or in calculator it's also called as zeros. Yeah. What to do? We can simply sketch the graph of the function and in your calculator, yeah, and find the x-intercepts. Let's do that. So it is 1, 3, and 5. Using your calculator, you can just make sure that the value of x will be 3 for A. So you see that 1 is given, 5 is given, and A is 3. So A is equal to 3. So this was the answer for part A. Now part B. Use your graphic display calculator to find the area enclosed by the curve and x-axis when the x between 1 and A. Okay. So what does it mean? We know that A is 3. That's why the area of the curve between 1 and 3 looks like this. So this yellow part of the graph. Okay, we should find this area. How we will find it? Using the calculus, we know that this area is equal to 1 and 3 integral from 1 to 3 of our function, and our function is given. So we should carefully type all parameters of this function, 23x minus 15. Okay, and now using your calculator again, you can just press the button enter and you will get the value of area. It is 4. So pretty short question, and it was a question about the calculus and graph sketching. Let's turn to the next video. See you in the next video.